Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get hidden stickers on Instagram. So without further ado, let's begin. We will going to start by adding your story. So now I need to choose one picture right here. And then after that, we will going to add a sticker to it. The first hidden sticker that I'm going to show you is Polaroid. Just search for Polaroid. And these are the stickers that you can choose from. After that, this word Sable. And here are the stickers that you can choose from. And then the next one is Heart White. Just type heart and then white. And then after that, scroll down and you'll see these stickers. There's also another one called Aesthetic. Just type Aesthetic. These are the stickers that you can choose from. Now the other hidden word is berries. And these are the berry stickers that you can choose from. And then the last one is Ollie Kit. These are the stickers that you can choose from. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.